want that one first? Okay.
Here comes the pea.
Christmas morning, and
Which
we
one
have unleashed the beast.
We have unleashed the beast on the
Oh, she
present.
wants a big one. She goes right for the big one.
Of course she does. What's going on, Peanut? What's going on? All these presents. Yay.
You can open them.
Should we give you a little help?
Oh, wow. Where do I start?
Okay.
She opened the other one. Okay, I want to see what she does.
Wow.
Look
you
at
open one?
all these presents I've got.
I'm just gonna
Watch,
roll
turn
in
off
them
the TV, Mike. So
all day.
Oh, let me
I
get
think that's
these.
distracting her a bit. Pick one.
Here I go with the first one.
This is from Auntie Marilyn. No, no.
Oh,
No, I'm gonna go up. Pick one.
I can't decide.
This one. This is the one. This is it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kayla. Watch.
You got mine. Mine.
It's mine. Oh. It's a colorfully shaped package. I love it.
That's from Marilyn to Michaela.
Oh, whoa. A carbine.
It's a carbine. I very much doubt
It's a
it.
carbine.
Oh, whoa.
This is funny. She can't decide which one she wants.
Occasionally.
Occasionally?
You ready?
You
Here.
just say occasionally at
Mhm.
age
Let's
not
see.
even 2.
See?
Oh, wow.
See? That's when you do it.
Oh.
See? That's what you're supposed to do.
She's being gentle. She's a gentle little soul.
She doesn't tear into them like we do.
Mm.
That'll change as she gets older.
Yeah.
I've been dying to see what, know what
Yay!
I've been dying to know what this is because now when I'm done and she says this, she's like, she's absolutely gonna love it. I'm like, okay.
That's how you open presents, B. And again.
There you go.
And again.
There you go. There you go. Oh, it does look. Oh!
Oh, isn't that pretty? Look.
Clap my hands and I'll read the story for you.
Yay!
Aw, thank you, Marilyn.
Thank you, Marilyn. That was awesome.
It's adorable.
And somebody obviously loves it. Awesome. Okay, next one, Peanut. Let's keep that with me, but I've got to open them all. I've got to open another one.
I'll put this one up here.
There we go.
She's just going crazy.
We're just going to pause this for a minute. Now, here we go. Here comes the second one. This is a big one.
There you go.
What's this? Oh my word, what's this?
Oh. This is from Aunt Mary.
This is a huge doll from Aunt Mary.
Thank you, Mary.
Ooh.
First baby doll. I laughed. Driving my chest inside.
Okay, let's pause this for a second and we'll do another one. So here we go with the third one.
Where you going with it? No, you can't have the paper. Here, let's open. Here, let's open that one. That's a tuga for you too. There you are. Oh, thank you, love.
No, you want mommy to open it for you?
Help? No, I want to play these.
Okay, we'll just play with these and we'll open some more later.
Okay. Should we take the baby out?
I love playing with this baby. Look, it makes all sorts of noises.
Let's look at the baby.
Yeah, it cries just like me. Woo. The box is far more interesting though. Oh, Baba! Can we feed that to the baby? Okay, I'm gonna go for a little while. I'll be back.